First things first, because I have dry skin and because of the technique I use, it is very important for me to prep my skin. So I'm going to start off with my Neutrogena Pink Grapefruit Scrub. And I'm also using the Laneige Water Bank Moisturizing Cream. They sent me samples and I love the night mask as well. Okay, so I'm just applying the moisturizing cream to my face, and I know that it looks like I'm just only applying it to my brows, but I did apply it to my entire face, and it was very refreshing and hydrating. Now these are the tools that I'm using: scissors, tweezers, a spoolie, and these are disposable, and my razor. Okay, so I begin by brushing my brows with this spoolie just to make sure they are in place and ready to be shaped. Now I'm applying this petroleum jelly to my brows to make the hairs kind of stand up so I can see where I need to cut it. And if you can see the hair that's above my brow right there, that's exactly what I'm cutting. See the hair that sticks above the brow? I'm cutting that in an angle. Snip, snip, snip. And of course, I'm going back and brushing the hairs after I cut so that I can see the shape. Next, I'm just cleaning around my brow area with the razor. I lift my brow with my fingers so I can see what shape I can get, if that makes any sense, guys. Yeah, I'm just trying to get all of that extra hair from around the brow area because that makes a big difference, guys. Then I go back with my tweezers to thin and arch. And when I say thin, I mean thin the tail of my brow because it grows thicker than I like. Okay guys, and there you have it, my brow shaping tutorial. I hope you all learned something from this, and please do not forget to hit that red button if you have not joined the Murder Show fam. Thank you all so much for watching. Guys, this is how my brows turned out. And I am really sparse on this brow, so it looks a little bit different than my other one. So yeah, but it is what it is. That's just how they always turn out. I always like this one better. But yeah, I just thought I'd show y'all how I clean my brows up. Bye. Yeah. No arching nothing, girl. I like my hair. That's that damn Shea Moisture, girl.